Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to pair a Xiaomi TV remote. Same procedure applies for all Xiaomi TV remote models for Xiaomi Stick, Xiaomi Box and Xiaomi TV. First, remove the batteries from your remote. Next, unplug your device from the power supply. Press and hold the power button on your remote for 30 seconds to reset the remote. Connect your device back to the power supply. Put the batteries back in your remote. Now hold down both the home and the menu buttons at the same time. Keep on holding until you get that green check mark on your TV screen. You're good to go. Please subscribe, like the video and see you in the next one.